Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode of our Yiwu Market Tour vlog. Today, we're checking out the dazzling world of festive and party supplies at China's undisputed wholesale king, the one and only Yiwu International Trade Mart. This is China's #1 wholesale market, and trust us, when it comes to party supplies, the suppliers here don't disappoint. So get ready for dazzling decorations, unforgettable finds, and enough festive cheer to stock a whole warehouse. Let's kick off our tour with a visit to the Christmas tree section, where holiday magic comes to life in all shapes and sizes. The iconic Christmas trees at Yiwu stand tall and proud amidst a sea of holiday cheer. From traditional evergreens to modern alternatives, these trees are the centerpiece of festive decor, offering a touch of warmth and nostalgia to any celebration. Next up, we have festival ornaments, the perfect accents to add sparkle and charm to holiday decor. From shimmering baubles to delicate figurines, each ornament here is crafted with precision and care, and we can get them customized according to your unique brand requirement. No holiday celebration is complete without festive paintings, which capture the spirit of the season in vibrant hues and intricate designs. From joyful scenes of snow-covered landscapes to whimsical depictions of holiday traditions, these artworks bring warmth and cheer to any space. Next, we explore the festive trimmings aisle, where twinkling lights and shimmering decorations transform any space into a winter wonderland. You can import a variety of sparkling garlands, tinsels, and ribbons, adding a touch of magic to your holiday inventory. No holiday celebration is complete without the perfect attire, and Yiwu International Trade Mart offers an exquisite selection of Xmas clothing to suit every style and taste. Whether you're looking for cozy sweaters or elegant party dresses, you'll find everything you need to slay the fashion game this holiday season. As we continue our journey, we come across a variety of beautiful lanterns casting a warm glow on the festivities below. As we marvel at the twinkling displays, we're reminded of China's reputation for innovation and craftsmanship in this industry. And of course, no holiday decor is complete without the soft glow of LED lights, which twinkle and shimmer in the darkness. Whether it's the neon party lights, disco balls, hanging curtain strings, stage lights, meteor showers, or the ever-popular fairy string lights, these best-selling, energy-efficient products are a must-have for any festive occasion. As we continue our stroll, we come across a treasure trove of party supplies, the heart and soul of any celebration. From vibrant balloons to confetti cannons and fireworks to party poppers, this section has everything you need to make an event unforgettable. Whether it's a birthday bash, a wedding reception, or a corporate event, Yiwu has you covered with its wide range of party essentials. But the fun doesn't stop there. Yiwu International Trade Mart also offers a plethora of festive products to suit every occasion and theme. From Halloween costumes to Easter decorations, Chinese New Year supplies to Diwali essentials, there's something for every celebration under the sun. So whether stocking up for the holidays, themed events, or just looking to spread some cheer, Yiwu has everything you need to make your festivities shine. Thank you for joining us on this festive journey through Yiwu International Trade Mart. If any of these mesmerizing products have caught your eye and you're interested in importing them, don't hesitate to contact us. At Logistics 9, we pride ourselves on sourcing products at transparent factory prices while ensuring verified quality, so you can trust that your celebrations will be nothing short of spectacular. Thanks for watching.